Excel functions. Part 8. Today we are going to explore absolute and relative references in Microsoft Excel. These are two important concepts that you will need later on in your studies and in the workplace. Let's say we run a YouTube channel, and we have created a list of items we need to buy, such as lights, a camera, a microphone, and a computer. We have included different quantities for each item. For example, we might need 2 lights, 3 cameras for different angles, and a couple of microphones, each with its own cost. Our goal is to calculate the total cost of these items and then work out how much sales tax applies. Let's begin by calculating the total cost for the lights. Since we need 2 lights at €105 each, the formula is a simple multiplication. We type the equals sign, followed by the quantity multiplied by the price, and then press Enter. The result is €210, which is correct. This formula uses what is known as relative referencing. But what does relative referencing mean? In this case, the formula refers to cells B2 and C2, which contain the quantity and the price. If we copy this formula down using autofill, Excel automatically adjusts the references. For the next row, the formula becomes B3 multiplied by C3. Further down, it becomes B4 multiplied by C4, and so on. This happens because the references move relative to the position of the formula. As the formula moves down, the cell references move down by the same amount. This is called relative referencing. Now let's calculate the sales tax for each item, which is 10%. We take the total cost of €210 and multiply it by 10%, then press Enter. This gives us €21. However, if we drag this formula down like before, the calculation is not correct for the other rows. This happens because Excel is still using relative references, so it also shifts the cell containing the 10% tax rate. We do not want this to happen because the tax rate should remain the same for all items. This is where absolute referencing becomes useful. To fix the sales tax cell, we set it as an absolute reference by adding a $sign before the column letter and the row number, making it $H1. This tells Excel to keep cell H1 fixed when the formula is copied. Now, when we drag the formula down, Excel always refers to the sales tax value in H1. All items use the same tax rate, and the calculations are correct. As you work with Excel formulas, absolute references are especially useful for values that must stay constant, such as tax rates, discounts, or fixed costs, no matter where the formula is copied.